Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday sa nag-iisang Choco Martin as the Coco Martin ng Elevate Outsource Solutions. TL Jerson, more birthdays and blessings to come. All right. Meow, meow, meow.
Happy birthday sa napakabait, understanding namin na TL Jerson. I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more blessings to your family, and of course, more warm leads to come. Again, happy birthday and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And enjoy your day. Yun lang. Bye.
Happiest birthday, TL. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hey, happy birthday, TL! Happy birthday, TL! God bless you always. And, papalit ng Shanghai, ha? Thank you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, TL. Sana mag-enjoy ka at mga girls mo.
Happiest birthday, DL. I hope happy ka ngayong araw. I'm sorry, sana umabot pa itong video na to. Ano ba? Gusto ko lang sabihin thank you. Una sa lahat, sa trust, sa inyo nila, madam. Thank you din sa trust na makatuwang mo dito sa outbound. Ano ba ba? Thank you dun sa mga yun. Thank you sa balancing leadership mo. Natututo ako ng maraming bagay galing sa'yo. And masaya, nagiging light yung shift araw-araw, looking forward pumasok kasi nandyan ka. So, tuloy-tuloy lang, sana maging mas masaya pa, mas maging successful pa tayo, mas makabawi pa tayo sa leads. And sana, i-grant ng Lord lahat ng wish mo, may kilikili mo na naman sa life, lalo na according naman sa mga plano niya sa buhay mo, sa family mo, sa pagiging public servant mo, syempre sa pagiging TL namin, huwag mo kalimutan yan. Napaka-pogi mo, ang dami mong kamukha, Coco Martin, tsaka si JM de Guzman. Char. Pero yun, thank you so much, happy birthday, sana masaya ka ngayon. Yun lang, happy birthday.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it to brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want what you live. Thank you. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, man.
Super happy birthday, TL Jerson. Thank you so much for everything. Wish you all the best. Alright, meow.
So, what's up? Happy 16th birthday, pre. Di ko talaga alam kung kailan talaga yung birthday mo, kahapon or ngayon. Kaya naalanganin ako mag-greet sa'yo. Pero, thank you sa lahat talaga. Dito sa Elevate, thank you. Thank you so much, pre. And then, sa family mo, pre, enjoy. more good health. Good health sa family mo, pre, and more birthdays to come. Love you, pre. Peace you.
Hi po, TL. So, first of all, I want to say happy birthday. And I hope na-enjoy mo yung araw mo talaga. And sana naman mabuhay ka pa hanggat sa gusto mo. And also, I would like to thank you kasi you're one of the best TLs. Like, walang biro. Literally, one of the best TLs that I have ever encountered. Kasi yung pasensya mo, napakahaba. At saka yung pagiging willingness mo tumulong. So, again, happy birthday to TL. Have a great day and love ka naman.
Hi TL, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for all the things that you're doing for the Team TL. We appreciate you. Happy birthday!
Go.
Happy birthday, Jason.
Happy birthday, Jerson.
Happy birthday, Jerson.
Thank you. Thank you for everything you do. We appreciate you and may we share more years together, working together. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.